I'm sorry.
It's not your fault, Clifford. You can't help the hiccups. Can you?
Hey, maybe we can.
If we can cure your hiccups, then we can break the record.
Don't worry, you two. I know just what to do. If you've got the hiccups and you need a cure, here's a trusted method that should work for sure. Balance on one leg. Keep your body still. If that won't cure your hiccups, nothing will.
Stand on one leg and keep quiet?
And stay still as a statue.
Can you do that, Clifford?
Woof.
Did it work?
Huh. It's always worked for me.
Can't get enough Clifford? To watch full episodes, check out Amazon Prime Video or your local PBS Kids listings. And discover more Clifford stories everywhere books are available.